What if I told you that the reason your life feels stuck, chaotic, or overwhelming isn't because you're unlucky, but because no one ever taught you how to think like a Stoic? Right now, as you're watching this, you have a rare chance to reset your mindset and rebuild your life from the inside out. Because Stoicism isn't about escaping pain or pretending everything is fine. It's about becoming unshakable no matter what life throws at you. And that's exactly what this message is here to awaken in you. Stoicism teaches us that peace doesn't come from controlling the world, but from mastering our reactions to it, from learning when to speak and when to stay silent, from turning failure into fuel instead of shame, and from understanding that true strength is quiet, steady, and deeply rooted like a tree standing firm in a storm while the winds rage around it. When you stop chasing validation, wealth, and constant comfort, and instead focus on character, discipline, and clarity, something powerful happens. You stop being afraid of loss because you realize that nothing external truly belongs to you, and that freedom alone is life-changing. Stoic wisdom reminds us to prepare for hardship, not with fear, but with readiness, to expect challenges so they don't break us, to accept what we cannot change so our energy isn't wasted on anger and resentment, and to direct all our effort toward what we can control: our thoughts, our actions, and our integrity. It shows us that happiness isn't found in excess, but in balance, not in endless desire, but in gratitude for what already exists, not in living for the future or regretting the past, but in fully owning the present moment. Stoicism urges us to live simply, to choose depth over distraction, meaning over noise, virtue over ego, and resilience over comfort. Because when everything is stripped away, character is all that remains. Every setback becomes a lesson, every struggle becomes training, every loss becomes a reminder that you are still standing, still learning, still becoming stronger than before. This philosophy doesn't promise an easy life, but it promises a meaningful one. A life where you are no longer a victim of circumstances, emotions, or other people's opinions, but a calm, focused force moving forward with purpose. And if this message is resonating with you, if you feel something shifting inside you right now, then don't let it stop here. Like this video to lock this mindset in, subscribe to this channel if you want more content that sharpens your mind and strengthens your life, and comment below which Stoic principle you want to apply starting today. Because growth begins with a decision, and this could be the moment you finally choose to become unbreakable.